Hello everyone, welcome to the channel for another day in the life of a window cleaner. We've got myself, and then there's David and Matthew. We're the ones who are working today. The dream team as usual. We've got 5 cleans to do. They're not all window cleans. We've got a gutter clear day today. That's what we call it. So see how we get on. That's the first one of the day done. Matthew and David, they work together doing all the gutter clear. Brilliant bit of kit, absolutely love it. Because it's all dry, it's not too bad putting out the debris from the gutters into the bins. Also, because it's dry, you're not having to clear out all the hoses and your poles using a bucket of water, sucking it through, which you have to do during cleans, not just at the end of every single clean when you're in weather where it's all wet and everything in the gutters slodgy. That's all done, conservatory roof done, customers happy, on with the next one. So second one of the day done. Quick, easy job really. Rear of the property, just the upper gutter, and it's about 3/4 of it was full. We hoovered it out with the gutter vac. If I was on my own, I'd have just used a ladder, but because there's 3 of us, we just used a gutter vac, and I just wanted to film it emptying the gutters basically. And then we just cleaned the top windows as well. That's all they're doing. It seems funny just cleaning the top windows, but they're going to be regular after this, and we clean the houses next door anyway, so it's just easy to bolt on. So that's what we're going to do. Anyway, 2 down, got another 3 to go. It's that one done, clean number 3 done. It was windows, fascia soffits and gutters, including the gable ends. You'll see they're quite grubby as well. We've got them all nice and clean. I ended up cleaning some cladding that wasn't on the price, but because I got it so dirty from doing the fascia soffits and gutters, I might as well clean it as I'm doing the windows there anyway. Didn't take too long, so it was all right. You'll see on one gable end that it's worse than the other side because it's in the more shady area, so it's quite grubby, but it actually came up quite clean. But what I do is, you'll probably notice, is I pre-wet areas when I'm doing fascia soffits and gutters, like the gable end here, and then when I'm scrubbing it's kind of soaking in elsewhere, so it makes it easier to clean when I get to it, and it comes up a lot quicker. So it just shows sometimes you don't need chemicals, just good old-fashioned water. A bit of elbow grease, but it come up good. That's me back home now. Basically, clean that you've just seen. We're basically cleared out the gutters, as you could probably tell by the clips. We also cleaned the fascia soffits and gutters, but there's no fascias, no soffits, just the price accordingly for that. And it was also cleaning the windows. The windows needed a lot of work, as did the previous property, so that cleans me out of water. So basically we're down to a door and a window, and I completely ran out of water. Luckily I'm just a village away from where I live, so we've come home, bombed up with a bit of water, drove back, finished off the job, and we've just got back from the last job of the day, which was one of our regular window cleans. So that's us done now. Now we're going to unpack the van of all the gut equipment, pack it all away, swap it round so the vehicle's jigged then for window cleaning tomorrow, top up the wagon so it's all full for tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching. As always, subscribe if you're new to the channel, all helps me out, and catch you on the next video. Ta-da!